Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Langmaid with Research That Matters TV. Professional sports is big business. The athletes are given access to the best health and performance strategies to help them play at their highest level possible. In a game of inches, sports performance is a huge part of winning. Over the past few years, you may have noticed some familiar faces on the sidelines. Those are chiropractors. On nearly every sideline, chiropractors are working to keep the athletes happy, healthy, and productive throughout a long and rigorous season. The days of receiving shots of narcotics on the sidelines between plays are over. Turning off your ability to feel pain with short-term drugs is an excellent way to cause more injury, not less. But with chiropractors there to help find the cause of the injury, the athletes can get back on the field feeling better than ever. Nearly every major sports franchise and player now have a team approach to care, and they realize that's what's best. So why is chiropractic care important? Well, it's estimated that 90% of professional and Olympic class athletes use chiropractic care to increase performance and reduce their risk of injury. Chiropractors help keep athletes performing at their peak level, and maintaining a balance of strength and flexibility throughout your entire range of motion can help both you and the pros reduce your risk of injury and perform your best. You don't need to be a professional athlete to enjoy the benefits of chiropractic care. All of us deal with aches and pains that can slow us down from the activities that we enjoy. We utilize many of the same techniques offered to professional athletes right here in our practice. Our team is dedicated to helping you achieve your goals and keeping you active in the game of life. I'll see you next week for another episode of Research That Matters TV.